Hey everyone, I'm excited to share that starting from version 7.6, you'll get the option to choose between the classic WPBakery workflow, where you have to save elements to apply changes, and the new feature, Element Autosave, which will show an instant preview of what you're doing. This is the original workflow. Edit an element, make changes, save to preview, and so on for every element. To enable Element Autosave, go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on WPBakery in the left side menu. And here you'll see the Autosave option. Enable it and save the changes. Let's open up the same page with the front-end editor again. And as you can see, no save button. All changes are applied instantly. To undo any changes, simply use the undo button. Remember to update WPBakery to the latest version and never forget to save changes again. Bye.